cornerstone of this diet is reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats, resulting in a state of ketosis where the body burns fat for energy. Keto smoothies offer a fantastic solution. We will explore the benefits of keto smoothies for weight loss and provide you with some enticing keto smoothie recipes. Benefits of keto smoothies for weight loss: boosting metabolism. Keto smoothies are rich in healthy fats, which provide a sustainable source of energy, keeping your metabolism active throughout the day. This helps your body burn more calories. Appetite control. The high-fat content in keto smoothies can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. Steady blood sugar levels. Keto smoothies have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes, which can trigger cravings for sugary snacks. Nutrient density. You can pack your keto smoothies with nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, avocado, and chia seeds, ensuring you get essential vitamins and minerals during your weight loss journey. Delicious keto smoothie recipes for weight loss. Green keto smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup spinach after half, avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, stevia or erythritol for sweetness option. Berries and cream keto smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 2½ cup mixed berries as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 1 tablespoon almond butter, stevia or erythritol for sweetness optional. Chocolate peanut butter keto smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, stevia or erythritol for sweetness optional. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.